Change an element from a list. To change elements from a list in Python, go to brackets. As you can see here, we have our previous list, which is animals. So if we want to change an element, for example, the element parrot, which is number 3. So we just have to type animals, square brackets, number 3, equal sign, string signs with the new element name, such as cat. After that, print animals, save the file, and try on terminal now. Very good. As you can see here, cat is superseded parrot's place. Okay, so let's try to change another element. For example, line which is number is 0. Type animals, square brackets with number 0, equal sign, string signs, and the name of the new element such as monkey. Okay, save the file and try on terminal now. Wonderful! The element line is changed to monkey right now. Okay, try to do it on your computer right now and see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching.